this is how I'm currently feeling. I'm so happy.
Guys, welcome back to the channel. How are you guys doing? Because I'm doing all right today. Okay, so before getting into today's video, like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so that can notify you every time I post a new video. I know it's been a while since I posted a video, but we're regular. We're used to this, for me disappearing and coming back, but this is regular. Okay, I'm looking like a hot crazy mess today, but today's video, I'm super excited about it because I am supporting a small business that I've always enjoyed. I'm going to leave all the information down in the description box. I'm gonna post videos, pictures, so that you guys can see everything. And yeah, let's get into today's video. So this right here is my gift, you guys. Okay, so before even opening this and revealing the new one, let's reveal the old ones. Okay, I have a friend named Mariah. Gonna leave her Instagram right here on the bottom. I love her to death. She is amazing. She's the sweetest girl of all times. Okay, for my birthday last year, my boyfriend got me a Powerpuff Girls kit, which is basically a grinder and a rolling tray. I have the rolling tray somewhere. I just got the grinder right now. But this, guys, you guys, this crushes so well that I'm about to crush with you guys today so that you guys can see the whole thing. Okay, so this is what it looks like on the inside. As you guys can see, I freaking dropped it and I broke it, and I deadass cried, and I told her that I dropped my crusher. I don't know if you guys can see that. I dropped my crusher and it broke. So the way that I was crushing, I literally had like both broken sides, like this broken side right here and then the broken side on the other side, and I literally had to like go like this. This also came with a rolling tray that, if I find a picture, I'll post it up in the video. She also made this this rolling tray. I love it, you guys. I'm gonna show it to you guys in the sun a little better so that you guys can see it a little better. But this, bro, she makes all kinds of custom made rolling trays, crushers. Look at that back. Oof, that back is just everything right now. So now fast forwarding to yesterday. Okay, so this is it right here. Okay, I already saw it, and like I keep telling you guys, if you guys don't know me, where have you guys been? Okay, so if you guys do know me, you guys know that I am the biggest gumball fan of all times. And guess what? My boyfriend ordered me another rolling tray with a grinder, and then I got another grinder for free because I broke my other one. Oh, let me show you the first one. It is like Disney themed. Oh, horrible lighting, guys. I'm gonna show you guys a little better when there's like better lighting. And this is what the inside looks like. Oh, y'all see that sharpness? Look at that. I love this, you guys. This is my, I can't wait to use this. Like, purr. This one right here, it takes the cake. Okay, my little grinder. So there's one in the front, and then there's one in the back, because this is literally me. One point I'm emotional, and then the next I'm like very highly upset. So this fits me so well. You like little stones, and like it's also in here. I don't know if you guys can see that. Ugh. Yo, this is amazing. I really love this. This is like literally my fave. And then the rolling tray, you guys. You see this? This is literally me. This is literally all me, y'all. Like, look at the back. fire, you guys. Oh my gosh, yes. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you guys how smoothly. All right, so I'm gonna take my crusher, y'all. If you guys are interested, which I think you should highly get yourself one of these, I'm gonna put her Instagram on the screen, and I'm also gonna put her Instagram in my description box so that you guys can order them. She also ships out, and if you are in the area, you can pick them up. Okay, just gonna crush it. Oh, I can see it. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this. Oh my gosh, look. Watch. Ooh. Y'all see that? Look at that. Finely grind. Look. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. We're so excited for this, y'all. Y'all have no idea how much of a geek I am when it comes to like grinders. Mariah really is the GOAT, bro. She's the GOAT. Look, I'm just gonna give it to you so you guys can see a little closer. She got rocks and stones in them. Look, and it's like hieroglyphic. Like, y'all see the two tones? Oof. She really finessed it, you guys. Really finessed it. Oof. This one's the first one. I guess you guys can see this a lot more better now. I like how there's Disney on one side, Disney princesses, like all of them, they're all on here. I love it. Oof. Y'all see that green? How many y'all want to bet that this glows in the dark? Because yeah, she makes glow in the dark stuff. Look at them spikes, you guys. This is how you know these are gonna grind your products so nicely. Okay, this is the Jessica Rabbit one. Hope you guys can see this a little better. This is what the Powerpuff Girl look like. Blossom is smoking the bong. Bubbles is smoking the spliff. Buttercup is high as hell. Yes, this was my favorite. When I tell you I got this, I deadass cried. And then when it broke, as you guys can see, I was in literal tears. I was literally upset with myself. I did not want to use no other grinder but Mariah's. If you guys are interested in any of these grinders, or also customize your own, you are able to customize your own as you like. You could put pictures on it. You could put characters. It's really what you want. Oh, yes, you guys, I'm so in love with this. Like, I can't stop talking about it. It is beautiful. Now, if you guys are interested in any of Mariah's items, I will be leaving all of her information in the description box below. Hit her up and tell her that Princess China told you to go purchase from her shop, because it is so worth it, you guys. Look at that. It's the details for me. It's the details. Got Banana Joe. That's my favorite. Got Tina. Oh, they got Anais High. Okay. Roger Rabbit. You could get anything customized, you guys. Just message her and let her know, okay? Thank you guys for watching. Thanks for supporting the small businesses, because you already know how we have to do it out here. And shout out to Mariah, because I really love all of my stuff. I love them all, babes. Thank you.
Dude, I think you were right. I don't see how this day could get any weird, and here we go. Ah! What the? Dude, this is all messed up! I know, right? I mean, future me wearing sandals?